Fleet maintenance is crucial to expanding the life of your equipment. As you can see behind us here, we have a dump truck, and this dump truck was used for spreading salt. That's what this attachment is right here. Now, when you have something that's been used for salt so long, you end up getting this big, chunky, flaky rust, and you can put your finger right through the bed. As you can see, we did a fantastic job of making this thing shed a whole bunch of rust. Now, if you were having proper maintenance and you had your own facility and your own staff, you wanted some tips and tricks, work with Revit to partner with you so that we can help you come up with a plan for removing as much salt as possible from your steel beds so that you don't have to replace them every 10 years. You can extend the life of your beds using fluid film as well as regular cleanings in between salt servicings. We've implemented service schedules like this for clients like Eden Design Group, which has helped them extend the life of their service vehicles. It also makes it a heck of a lot easier to work with clean, unrusted equipment for their own in-house techs. But if you don't have your own in-house tech and you want us to be your mechanics, give us a call, become a partner with Revit so we can stop you from having costly repair items that could have just been simple maintenance. Start focusing on growing your business instead of vehicle breakdowns.